Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting journey. Today, we are setting our sights on one of the most fascinating cities in the world, a place where tradition meets modernity and where every corner holds a new adventure. Yes, you guessed it right. We are off to the dazzling city of Dubai. As our plane descends, you can already feel the excitement in the air. Dubai, a city that has risen from the desert sands to become a global metropolis, is ready to welcome us with open arms. From the moment you step off the plane at Dubai International Airport, you know you are in for a treat. Dubai is a city of superlatives. It's a place where the skyline is dotted with architectural wonders, each more impressive than the last. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a glittering jewel, with lights that twinkle like stars against the night sky. One of the most iconic landmarks here is the Burj Khalifa. Standing at an astonishing 828 meters, it is the tallest building in the world. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the city and beyond. And just a stone's throw away is the Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world. With over 1,200 retail outlets, an indoor aquarium, and even an ice rink, it's a shopper's paradise and an entertainment hub all rolled into one. But Dubai is not just about towering skyscrapers and luxury malls. It also boasts some of the most breathtaking scenery in the world. From the serene waters of Dubai Marina to the golden sands of the desert and the pristine beaches that stretch along the coast, there's something here for everyone. In this whirlwind tour, we'll be taking in the very best that Dubai has to offer. We'll explore its rich cultural heritage, marvel at its modern marvels, and soak in the natural beauty that makes this city so unique. From the man-made islands of Palm Jumeirah to the iconic sail-shaped Burj Al Arab and the thrilling desert safaris that take you on a roller coaster ride over the dunes, Dubai has it all. Each experience is more exhilarating than the last. So buckle up and get ready for a visual feast. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a culture enthusiast, or someone who just loves to explore new places, Dubai promises to leave you spellbound. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's jump right in and discover the magic of Dubai together. From its towering skyscrapers to its bustling souks, from its luxurious resorts to its vibrant nightlife, there's so much to see and do. So let's get started on this incredible journey. First up, we have the iconic Burj Khalifa. This towering skyscraper needs no introduction. Rising majestically from the heart of Dubai, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and architectural brilliance. Standing at a staggering height of over 828 meters, it's the tallest building on the planet. To put that into perspective, it's nearly 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. You can see the Burj Khalifa from almost anywhere in Dubai. Its shimmering facade catches the light in a way that makes it visible from miles away, a beacon of modernity in the desert. But nothing beats the view from the top. The journey to the observation deck itself is an experience, with high-speed elevators whisking you up in mere seconds. The observation deck offers unparalleled panoramic views of the city. From this vantage point, you can see the sprawling urban landscape, the winding Dubai Creek, and even the distant dunes of the Arabian desert. It's a sight you won't soon forget. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a sea of twinkling lights, creating a magical atmosphere that captivates every visitor. Imagine looking down at the world from so high up. The cars and people below look like tiny specks, and the vastness of the city stretches out endlessly before you. It's an experience that will leave you speechless. The sheer scale and beauty of the view evoke a sense of wonder and awe, making it a moment you'll cherish forever. Trust me on this one. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or simply someone who appreciates breathtaking views, the Burj Khalifa is a must-visit. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless elegance makes it a marvel of the modern world. So, next time you're in Dubai, make sure to take the trip up this incredible skyscraper. You won't regret it. Next, we're off to see the Dubai Fountain. Located at the base of the Burj Khalifa, this fountain is a spectacle of water, light, and music. Every evening, the fountain comes alive with a choreographed water show. The jets of water dance and sway to a variety of music. From classical to contemporary, there's something for everyone. The show is especially magical at night. The illuminated water droplets create a mesmerizing display, It's a must-see for any visitor to Dubai. Now let's take a break from the city and step into a world of flowers. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a truly unique attraction. It's home to over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning displays. You'll find everything from flower-covered castles to giant floral animals. The garden is a riot of color and fragrance. It's a photographer's dream. Strolling through this floral wonderland is a feast for the senses. It's like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Don't forget your camera. Section 5. The Dubai Creek, a historic waterway. This iconic waterway has been the lifeblood of the city for centuries, playing a crucial role in its development and growth. From its humble beginnings as a small fishing village to the bustling metropolis it is today, Dubai Creek has witnessed it all. Now let's delve into the heart of old Dubai. The area around the creek is a treasure trove of history and culture, offering a glimpse into the city's past. As you wander through the narrow streets, you'll find traditional buildings that have stood the test of time, each with its own story to tell. The Dubai Creek is a saltwater creek that divides the city into two parts, Deira and Burj Dubai. This natural divide has shaped the city's layout and influenced its development over the years. Deira on one side is known for its vibrant markets and bustling streets, while Burj Dubai on the other is home to historic sites and cultural landmarks. You can take a traditional Abra ride across the creek. These small wooden boats have been used for centuries to ferry people across the water, and they offer a unique and authentic way to experience the city. As you glide along the creek, you'll get a sense of the city's rich maritime heritage. It's a great way to experience the city from a different perspective. The views from the water are simply stunning, with the modern skyline on one side and the historic buildings on the other. It's a perfect blend of old and new, showcasing the city's unique character. The creek is also home to the Dubai Gold Souk and the Dubai Spice Souk. These markets are a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's vibrant trading culture. The Gold Souk is famous for its dazzling array of jewelry, while the Spice Souk offers a sensory feast with its colorful and aromatic spices. These bustling markets offer a glimpse into Dubai's rich trading history. For centuries, traders from all over the world have come to Dubai to buy and sell goods, and this tradition continues to this day. The markets are a hive of activity, with traders haggling over prices and shoppers searching for the best deals. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. The sights, sounds, and smells of the markets are truly unforgettable, and they offer a unique insight into the city's culture and heritage. Whether you're looking for a special souvenir or just want to soak up the atmosphere, the markets along Dubai Creek are not to be missed. Section 6. The Jumeirah Beach, sun, sand, and skyscrapers. No trip to Dubai would be complete without a visit to the beach. Jumeirah Beach is a beautiful stretch of white sand. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. You can go for a swim in the turquoise waters, or simply relax on the beach and admire the view. The iconic Burj Al Arab Hotel is also located on Jumeirah Beach. This sail-shaped hotel is a sight to behold. It's a symbol of Dubai's luxury and extravagance. Section 7. The Dubai Desert, a world of sand and stars. For a completely different experience, head out into the Dubai Desert. The vast expanse of sand dunes is a sight to behold. You can go dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle, or take a camel ride for a more traditional experience. In the evening, the desert comes alive with stars. It's the perfect place to enjoy a Bedouin-style dinner under the stars. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Section 8. So much more to see, and that's just a taste of what Dubai has to offer. From indoor ski slopes to underwater zoos, Dubai has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or a shopaholic, you're sure to find something to keep you entertained in this dynamic city. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Dubai today. Section 9. Like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring. So, which of these breathtaking sights in Dubai would you like to explore first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.